up, y'all? It's your girl Driva back at it again with another video. Today we are serving hair. Okay, y'all, you see how dry looking it is? See how dry looking my hair is? Well, today I'm gonna show you how to revive it using my handy dandy favorite product in the world. Okay guys, you wanna know how to give your hair moisture and have it looking juicy all day? Well, just use this. I'm not sponsored either. So yes, this is the Hawaiian Silky Gel Activator. Yes guys, I use a gel activator to keep my curls looking juicy all day. All day. So I actually put some As I Am double buttercream in here as the, I don't know, the leave-in. Normally people, yeah, I don't know, as the conditioner, the pre-conditioner, the leave-in conditioner. I used this, and I think I'm about to spray a little bit of this this frizz-free keratin smoothing oil on there before I put in the gel. Actually, I've never used this combo before, so we'll see how this goes. And so now I'm gonna put in the Hawaiian Silky. Watch how this is going to transform and elongate. Literally, I'm about to do the shingling method, so this is gonna take a while, okay? I'm not gonna get like yeah, pretty much I am gonna get every strand. So what I'll do is, you see what I'm doing? All I'm doing is this. And it's getting them back good. So essentially all of them are gonna look like that, okay? Okay, so that, you see what I'm doing? I'll be back once I'm done. Okay y'all, so I'm back. So I did the whole head with this, the Hawaiian Silky. So actually, let's try something. I'm gonna put another rubber band in here to see if this will. I call this hairstyle the Marge, and yeah, this is how I wear my hair 9 times out of 10 when I go places. So, my sisters, like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye.